Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you have a great day and you have a wonderful day ahead. And so yeah, today's vlog, it's another collaboration with Phenyx Pro. So stay tuned, bear with me, and stay frosty because we're gonna unbox this together, and we're gonna review and what are the inclusions with this Phenyx Pro, a wireless microphone system. So yeah, I would like to say thank you for picking me, Phenyx Pro, for choosing me as your brand ambassador as well. And it is my pleasure and honor to work and collaborate with you with this brand, which is a Phenyx Pro wireless microphone system. So since I myself love karaoke, I love singing, although I'm not professional singer, but I'm kind of a frustrated singer. I love singing, whenever I go. We Filipinos loves to sing, and yeah, so I'm just glad that I have this Phenyx Pro in my hand, and they work with me, they collaborate with me, and yeah, I'm so happy and so feel awesome, and I feel it's my pleasure to work with them. And yeah, I can't wait to open this box. And this is really interesting and great microphone, for this digital era. This is my very useful to us, whenever we love singing, when we sing, when we have party at home, we tend to use this microphone, and for karaoke. And I think it's not just for karaoke. You can use, like, if you're a DJ, you can use this as well. So much from that. Let's keep the ball rolling and let's open this and unbox this together. So yeah, this is their package, and I got from Phenyx Pro. Let's see right there, and it's huge. See, it's huge box, and I can't wait to take this to the Philippines and use this, and I can use this as well here in California. And yeah, super love this one. And let's open this together and how it looks like inside, and what are the inclusions, and what are the this technology has to offer to us. So stay tuned. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh my god, oh my god, actually it has a styrofoam that cover, when for safety. It has cover right there, and I removed the plastic already so that I could show it right away. So that's it. Look at that, it's amazing. So this is it, Phenyx Pro. It has two wireless microphones, like I said, and right there, and this one has another two. I can't wait to use this. And it has a charger and another a cable for the for, I think this is for this one, the mixer. So I'm gonna have it has a manual as well, so you can read just the manual itself, and it's easy. So it's Phenyx Pro PTAU-2. So that's the model of this wireless microphone, Phenyx Pro. And it's not just microphone, it has this one, as you can see. Hold on, let me remove this one. And it has the battery for the microphone. So yeah, and let's open this. Let's segregate that one, and let's put there. Let's put right there. So this is the So this is a dual, so it's dual because it has two microphone, you know. See, and it's for professional. It's not just for professional, you know, as ordinary people like us, ordinary, you can use this as well, so why not? So it's redefined wireless control and power and precision every twist. So this one is the power control. So I'm gonna figure it out and how it works, so stay tuned. Oh my goodness. It's hot. We have a heat wave here in California. It's autumn here already, and I feel kind of hot here. So so much from that. So it has a manual here. So like it says here. So this is the control of the wireless microphone, as you can see right there. There you go. It's Phenyx Pro. So you just had to use your, and at the back it has a bowl out and mix out and blow out. So yeah, how should I use that one? I see. You're going to use this one or this one. There must be something missing. So let me see. Oh, there you go. I found it. So you need this one to put here and there, I think. This might be this one, the back. Oh my goodness, so this is how it looks like there. So this is the channel A, we can put like that, and see, so at the back, so this is how it looks like. So I think and 4, this is amp 4, antenna 4, and 3, and 2, antenna 2, and antenna 1. So that's it. And this one, how should I put this one? So this is it. So it has a battery, this one. Amazing, huh? So that's how it looks like there. And there you go. See? Amazing. So I can't wait to use this one. So yeah, don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link in my description, and if you guys are interested in purchase, you know, if you are willing to have this one kind, I must recommend this one. It's like, this is very professional wireless microphone, and you know, to my friends and who loves to sing, or you can give this as a gift. I can put the link in my description and try to find out, and you know, you can just add to cart, and there you go. So yeah, this is pretty interesting, and this is, you know, for occasions of karaoke, we can have this one too. So this is it, and super love this one. It's very easy to, I think this is it here, right there. So I can't wait to use this one guys, and super love it. There you go. See, there's a mixer there. And I think that's it for today's videos guys, and thank you for watching, and this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye for now, and enjoy the rest of your days. Bye. Thank you so much, Phenyx Pro Bluetooth microphone, wireless microphone system. It's not Bluetooth, it's just wireless microphone system. Bye for now, and that's it for today. Bye.